Let's go. Let's go. Anse-à-l'Orme. Alright, I'm gonna do a video as well.
他杀了他朋友，后面就跟他见了，他没耍到，这两个人都被罚了。
Direction A3 Anse-à-l'Orme. Prochaine station des Sources.
Yeah, des sources. Let's go.
他自己他觉得他都不是他的错，
他想说全是他那朋友的错。就是不成功也让他就是少付一点是吧？对，这份不成功就说小孩没有那么多钱。看到没？这也是一个经验。
现在拍啥了？他们做很多直播，但是说这照也做过的，还没分开。
那好多人没弄啊。
都走了。
Yeah, apparently nobody has ever ridden on this section before, not even the media people. So we are actually the first. Alright, so we're gonna upcoming is the junction. We're gonna split to the left-hand side for the first time. Oh, the junction is here. We're turning left. Hey, let's go. After all these years, I've been waiting for it. 8 years, man. 8 years. 8 whole years. We're going up for the first time. Nice view up here. I actually can't see it in person because like people are blocking my view, but the stream is good. And in just a few moments we're turning left.
Turning left to this source, which is obviously school.
Oh, it's slowing down here. Imagine there's a service disruption on the first ever train. That's not gonna happen, that's not gonna happen. Oh, tournez à gauche. Let's go. Goodbye, the mountain. Yo, this is insane. This is insane. Let's go. Oh.
À droite, c'est deux montagnes, c'est à gauche, et à gauche, c'est sur le relais. Fait que là, est à droite, c'est le relais. À deux montagnes. À droite, il y en a une, à gauche, c'est le point rouge, c'est sur le relais.
Okay, wow, a lot of curves here.
Getting off at Anse-à-l'Orme, which is
You can see. Wow. So in front, we are gonna transition from being on the ground to mostly elevated from here until the end of the line. It's gonna be all viaducts. So like, yeah. So some fun fact for you guys, this is the second longest bridge in Canada, I think, after the Vancouver Skytrain. So we have a junction here. I think you can't really see because like people are blocking my view, but the stream, you can see it on the stream. So in a few months time or in a year's time, the left is going to the airport, which is not yet open right now. You still have a year to wait for it. And come here, we have the Autoroute 40. That's the Highway 40. Oh, maybe that's the first street. Maybe we should have got on from Anse-à-l'Orme instead. There's like less people. But I'm pretty sure that one is not the first ever train though. The distance between Bois-Franc and Des-Sources is so long, it's already 7 minutes. I think it's going to be the longest distance between any two REM stations.
一让他就让他们走了呀。
没管好吗？不是。
这次他们协会了，就在这里我就等着。
Alright, we are arriving at Des-Sources finally. 8 minutes.
上一次第一站有可能就坐一站就让他们下车了。就还是我们要等这个好。
那不一定。This is
Station Des-Sources.
没人，下面要取个。
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
Yeah, Des-Sources. Okay, maybe people are gonna get it, but we're gonna go to the last station.